What up YouTube? We're back with another great video, and we're currently doing a series that will help you if you're intending to be a content creator or you're intending to start up a YouTube channel. And today's video we're trying to focus on two aspects. One, if you haven't started your YouTube channel or if you're actually just starting to do your initial videos. And the first thing I want you to focus on if you haven't started your YouTube channel is making sure that you have ideas before you start off. With YouTube, consistency is key. So you need to be uploading videos in a consistent manner, and that comes in handy, or that comes in place if you already have ideas that you have pre-written. So if you haven't started off, get a notepad and write down 50 video ideas that you would want to do in terms of videos. So you write down at least something that you can be able to fall back in case you either on a dry spell in terms of coming up with a video, or if you don't have a topic. This will help you so that you can continue to be consistent in terms of your uploads. The other area that normally poses a question is either tools in terms of either a video camera or a lighting, or gadgets that will help you in terms of video recording. And what I normally say is just use what you have. If you don't have a camera, use your phone. Like some of the videos that I've done, I've used my camera in terms of my phone to record, and also try to look at how you can be able to get the best snapshots in terms of lighting. So if you don't have a light, or if you don't have an area where you can record, look for where there is ventilation in terms of window. You can be creative in terms of using a window that is located in your house where lighting comes in naturally, so that you can position your camera in a way that you are able to be visible. That is if you're doing vlogs, or if you're doing just indoor videos. Now if you're doing outside videos, you can look at how you can be able to position your camera so that you get good snapshots. And also you can look at your audio. Audio is also an issue in terms of content creation. If you have poor audio, then people will not look at the video because it will be a blur. They will just be seeing visuals, but there is no audio in terms of what they can hear going on in terms of what they are watching. The thing that also comes into question is, now after you have recorded your videos, how you edit them. And I always advise just use a simple editing software. So you can use either Video Show from Play Store, or you can use the Power Director, something that is simple to use so that it doesn't become tedious when you're trying to get your video out there. The other thing is also confidence. Be confident in what you're actually doing. And that comes in place once you have discovered your niche. The other thing I need to mention is niche. Look for a niche or a niche area or field in terms of content creation. So you have to look at what kind of videos do you want to produce. Do you want to produce videos about exercise? Do you want to do vlogs? Do you want to do videos on cooking? Do you want to do sermons, or do you want to do spoken word? Do you want to do poetry? So you need to narrow down on a particular area. This will help you so that when you're doing videos, they actually have a flow, and there's also consistency. Because if you just do random videos, then that affects the YouTube algorithm. That means that your videos will not get suggested in terms of viewership. Summary, we've talked about 6 ideas, and a 7th one which I will give you at the end is okay, the first idea we've talked about is having 50 ideas before you start your channel, so that you can be able to do, number 2, consistently upload your videos. Number 3, we've talked about tools, that is the lighting that you will use, or positioning your camera in a place that will give you the best snapshots. We also talked about confidence, that you be confident with what you're doing. Be confident in the content that you're producing or that you're creating. The other thing we've talked about is niche. that is choosing a particular field where you'll be able to venture in, either if it's poetry, if it is about vlogs, or if you're just doing random videos. Let them have a certain area or a certain niche so that you can be able to upload your videos consistently, and so that you can be able to align also with the algorithm of YouTube. And finally, what you need to do is just go ahead and upload your video, because most of the times we record videos, we edit them, but we linger on uploading because either we don't feel confident enough with what we have done or what we have recorded in terms of comparison with what is out there. But just take that first step and upload your first video, and then from there on you'll be able to learn on how to better your skills in terms of either it's editing, either it's coming up with an idea, or being creative with what you're doing. Because at the end of the day, if you don't upload your video, then your channel will not start or it will not grow. Remember, on here we're trying to use words and visuals to make beautiful that which is distorted. I hope this video helped you if you're starting up your channel, or if you're planning to start up a channel in the near future, so that you have a better or a smoother sail in terms of content creation. So I'll see you in the next one.